Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Narito ang isang bahagi o segment ng ating aralin sa Conversational Tagalog 1. At ito naman ang inyong instruktor, Rafael Pulmano. Hello everyone. We are in lesson 15, expressing the desirability or undesirability of some activities. In this segment, you will learn how to express what you want to do or do not want to do. The Tagalog word for want is gusto. To say I want in Tagalog, you say gusto ko. To say I want ice cream in Tagalog, you say gusto ko ng sorbetes. But sorbetes is not something that you want to do or do not want to do, which is our topic here. Maybe what you really want is to eat ice cream. That is, kumain ng sorbetes. To say, I want to eat ice cream, the root word for eat in Tagalog is kain. You might say, gusto ko kumain ng sorbetes. But ko needs to be linked to kumain. And you're right, we need to add the linker nang after ko. So the proper way to say it is, gusto kong kumain ng sorbetes. Like this. Let's look at some examples. If you want to sing kanta, say, gusto kong kumanta. Suppose you want to run, takbo. Say, gusto kong tumakbo. And if you want to walk, lakad, say, gusto kong lumakad. But what if you don't want to walk? Then change the word gusto to ayaw. Ayaw is the Tagalog word for don't want. To say I don't want in Tagalog, you say ayaw ko. Often, ayoko is shortened to ayoko. I don't want to eat ice cream is ayokong kumain ng sorbetes. Or, instead of ayaw ko, you can say ayokong kumain ng sorbetes. Remember, the opposite of gusto is ayaw. Therefore, to change I want to I don't want, simply replace gusto with ayaw. Or ayoko with ayoko. Let's review gusto ko and see some ayoko examples. I want to sing. Gusto kong kumanta. I don't want to sing. Ayaw kong kumanta. I want to run. Gusto kong tumakbo. I don't want to run. Ayaw kong tumakbo. I want to eat. Gusto kong kumain. I don't want to eat. Ayaw kong kumain. Are you now ready to express what you want to do or do not want to do? Go ahead. Give this set of words a try. The answer to the first item is given. Number 1, gusto, linis, bahay. Gusto kong maglinis ng bahay. This is the end of this segment. Please proceed to the next. Salamat!